Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about a very important topic, that is agriculture chapter from class 10th geography. Okay, before going to discuss about this chapter, we need to discuss about three to six basic introductory points, and also these are the key points for this chapter. You know what is our chapter number? 4. Agriculture. See, in this chapter we have nearly 6 subtopics. First subtopic is introduction. Introduction. In this introduction, we need to discuss about what is agriculture. What is agriculture? Second one, importance of the agriculture. Importance of the agriculture. Coming to second subtopic, in these subtopics we need to discuss about types of farming. Farming means cultivation or culture. How many types of cultivations are there? Nearly there are 2 types. Based on the purpose. Purpose in the sense why we are cultivating this crop. What is the purpose of cultivation of this crop? Based on that, there are 2 types. First one is subsistence farming. Second one is commercial farming. In subsistence farming, again divided into 2 parts or 2 categories. First one is primitive. Primitive means very old method. Primitive subsistence farming. Second one is intensive subsistence farming. We will discuss one by one. These are the important points in this subtopic. Coming to third subtopic, that is cropping seasons. That is about cropping seasons or patterns. How many cropping patterns we have or cropping seasons we have? We have nearly 3 cropping patterns we have. What is that? Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. In this subtopic, mainly we need to discuss about what is the sowing month, and what is harvesting month. And also one more thing, what is that? What kind of crops we are cultivating in this Rabi as well as Kharif as well as Zaid. Last one, geographical distribution. In which countries or which states they are cultivating Rabi crop, which states cultivating Kharif crop, which states cultivating Zaid crop. We need to discuss it. It is about geographical distribution. Coming to fourth subtopic, that is about major crops. Major crops produced by the India. In these crops, nearly we need to discuss about 15 crops. In this crop, some are food crops, some are fiber crops, some are commercial crops. We need to discuss one by one. Coming to fifth subtopic, that is about problems of the agriculture. You know, it is a age-old practice. So we have been in farming or agriculture, we have been facing so many problems. Nearly there are 8 major problems are there. We need to discuss one by one. Coming to sixth subtopic, that is, already here we discussed about the problems. To reduce the impact of the problem, we did some reforms in India. Reforms. There are two types of reforms. First one is institutional reform. Second one is technical reform. Okay, we will discuss one by one. These are the very important topics from our chapter. Is it clear? Okay, now we are going to discuss about first part, that is about introduction. In this introduction, we need to discuss about two important topics. What are those? See here. What is agriculture? Here we need to define the agriculture. What is agriculture? See, we have been discussing in 8th class and 9th class and also 8th class particularly in this, we discussed about agriculture. There is a beautiful abbreviation, that is, it is a science and art of cultivation of soil, producing crops and rearing animals, that comes under agriculture. See, we have to write the point, rearing animals or ranching animals. We have to include that word also in agriculture, not only cultivating crops. Is it clear? I am repeating. It is a science and art of cultivation of soil, producing crops and rearing or ranching animals. It is clear. Coming to second one, what is the importance of the agriculture? What is the importance of agriculture? It is very easy and also very important. See, every day we are eating food. Where from we are getting this food? From agriculture only. It means it is providing food material for the people. Second, and also it is providing raw material for the secondary sector, means industries. For example, take sugarcane. Every day we are using sugar. Where from we are getting this sugar? From sugarcane only. So it is providing raw material for the sugarcane. And also cotton. Every day we are wearing clothes. This cotton is coming from the cotton only. Okay, it is prepared by the industries. It means it is providing raw material for the industries. Okay, third thing, it is providing lot of employment for the rural people. Fourth point, it is also playing main role in GDP, gross domestic production. It means it is also occupying major share in this GDP, because GDP means the amount of goods and services producing in a particular year, that comes under GDP. See, in these services and goods, it is playing main role. And also last one, it is a backbone to the Indian economy, and also it is backbone to the Indian. Why? Because nearly in India 50 to 65% of people are depending upon the agriculture and its allied activities. So it is very important for the Indian point of view. And also we are getting foreign exchange also. Why? We are cultivating cash crops and spices. We are cultivating, for example, cotton and rubber. We are producing, and also we are exporting to the other countries. Through that, we are getting some amount of foreign exchange. These are the important points of the agriculture. It means it is the importance.